cities, barren cold. I still remember the first fall of snow and how it glistened as it fell.